Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
Good morning, my gingerbread and jelly bean. It is so dark that you can't even see me outside. It's that early in the morning. So yeah, I'm about to catch a flight. I'm dead late. This trip that I'm taking is a short trip for the vlog. Doing this for YouTube. Taking a short trip to do some videos for you guys. You can't even see me because it's literally 6 in the morning. Show you the skyline. So it's literally dark. So it's still midnight. Well, like early morning. Early in the morning. Again, half like morning. Again, yeah. I have a flight, but I need chopsticks. You know, you can't touch the road without chopsticks. So hopefully, it's not an issue for me. Hopefully, I'm not too late. Flight is in like 45 minutes. I'm not even at the airport yet, so that's going to be a miracle right now to catch that one. So pray for me, guys. Morning. Let's grab a coconut water. Morning. Grab a coconut water and my chopstick and head to the airport. This is my morning face. Hope I don't look too bad. Boy. So coconut water, no pulp. Coconut water, no pulp, and chocolate. Chocolate is important. Rum and raisin chocolate. So yeah. So follow me on my journey. I'll take care of this. Alright, guys.
1 second, please.
Okay. So we'll come back. Alright, guys. I made it to the airport. Unfortunately, I'm late. As usual. Flight is right now, so the flight's about to probably leave the runway, and I'm late. Taxi just got here, literally. So I'm going to reschedule, rebook, and then see how that process goes. I've never rebooked with Delta before. I'm in the Delta lounge, the Delta Sky Club. As you guys can see, we run around. Alright, guys, I'm back. I did get rebooked for my flight. It cost me $75, sadly. So note to self, get to the airport early, so you don't have to pay an extra $75 for your flight on Delta. Normally, if you're late on JetBlue, they just reschedule you. That's why I kind of prefer JetBlue, but Delta charge you everything, I guess. Yes, I'm just waiting in security now to basically get my bag because it's going through security checks, so I have to wait until they Omni check it, all that stuff. It's normal security procedures, so I'm just waiting my turn in the line. You know, that too. Also, one thing I realized with Uber drivers is that most of them drop you off to the location. I know a lot of people experience this and they don't finish the trip. So they end up charging you extra for the trip that you actually come out, so they don't finish it, so they overcharge you for like lengthy wait period. So I got overcharged by like $16 for like a $11 trip, so it come to like $23. No. So I send in a report, they send me back the money, so that's good. So our flight is at 11, I'm hungry, tired, so I'm just waiting for them to check my bag. And
Thank you.
and then I can pretty much go in the lounge, relax, get some food, and wait for my flight. So I'll update you guys when I come back. Hope you guys enjoying the vlog so far. Thanks for watching. Sukum. Okay guys, I'm back. So landed safely. That's very important. Yeah, so just waiting to onboard now, my B-board, and go to the hotel. It's my tired. I don't want to sleep. But place the car and stuff from like above in the plane. Looks okay. Look like America. Just waiting. Alright guys, I'm back. I was going to do Uber because the hotel is right across the road, but then I realized there's shuttle service to the hotel, which should be free because we're trying to save. So just waiting right now. And I like how clean the place is. It's really nice. And I like their bus area and stuff like that. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. As you can see, you know, they have these, like in New York they don't have the cover over like that for where the buses come. But I guess this was recently done. I've never been here before, so I wouldn't know, but it looks good so far. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, so I was waiting for the shuttle. Are you going there? So waiting for the shuttle to come, pick me up, and then I go to the airport, down the airport, the hotel, and check in. And then yeah, I think this vlog is going to finish. I don't know what else to vlog for this one. It's just, you know, going to and from. So yeah, I'm just waiting on the shuttle. Alright, so catch you guys soon when I'm at the hotel. Hey guys, so I'm here in my hotel room. Had some difficulties checking in. Your boy was broke. Yeah, but look at this lighting, peeps. Catch this lighting. This is glorious. Ooh, ooh. Get your lighting glorious. Hey, hey, get your lighting. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, so it's a relatively nice room and stuff. Have the work table there for my tablet, TV, and good. Check out the bathroom. So you have a nice mirror here. Ooh, boy looking dapper. Boy looking well fresh for them old attire. Alright, step-ins. Bathroom. Alright, that's going on. Tub. Looking well spanking. I did a little, you know, make a job on that one. Not bad. Spaceship toilet. Spaceship. Alright. Turn off the light so we don't waste electricity. You know what I mean? But yeah. Get your boy. Done now. Yeah. So I'm going to relax. I'm tired. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I'm going to relax. Get some sleep right now. Damn, there's snow still. Look at that. This is how cold the place is. Some snow over there. There's ice on the ground. So it's still winter because there's almost in Canada. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If I do anything later, I'll vlog about it. If not, you guys this will be the end of it. I love this camera. The quality is so good. This will be the end of it. I hope you like the journey coming from New York to Buffalo. Yeah, I really enjoyed my trip. A lot of ups and downs of the trip, but you know, it's okay. What I'm going to do is, you know, relax, get some sleep. I need some sleep. Vlog tomorrow, do the video tomorrow, the interview tomorrow. I want to make at least 5 videos, like 5 different vlogs, 5 different videos for this trip. So that's what I'm aiming for, to have at least 5 different content for you guys to watch and enjoy. That's the aim. That's what I'm going to do. So if it's long, don't complain it's long, guys. Just watch it, support JVLOGS. Trying my best to give you guys as much content as possible, and I hope you appreciate it in the long run. So again, thanks for watching. Phone being off. So come. Subscribe and share for more. Gone. Wow, good people.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known.